Hey everybody, in this video we're going to talk about evaluating an exponential function that models a real-world situation. So let's say that we're told that the rate of inflation is 2.5% per year. The future price of a certain item can be modeled by the following exponential function, where t is the number of years from today. So the price equals 800 times 1.025 raised to the t, which t is number of years. Find the current price of the item and the price 9 years from today, and then round your answer to the nearest whole number. So the current price, that's 0 years from today, right? So current price is when t equals 0. So the function p evaluated at t is going to be 800 times 1.025 to the 0 power. So again, the price at time is 0 is equal to this right hand side. 1.025 to the 0 power is 1. Anything raised to the 0 power is 1. So the price when time is 0 is 800. So that is equal to $800. So the current price of the item is $800. What about in 9 years? So remember, t is the number of years from today. So that means t is equal to 9. So we're finding the price when time is 9, or p of 9. So 800 times 1.025 raised to the 9 is equal to, when we do this, we'll get 999.0. So rounded is $999. So you can see that from, today and 9 years, we're going to be paying quite a bit more for this $800 item. All right.